Hi there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In today's video, we are going to see how you can configure WordPress writing settings. So this is very basic WordPress settings that you need to know before you start working on your WordPress website. So I'm talking about this. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Here in settings, we have this writing page, right? And here we have multiple settings here. So we are going to discuss these settings and how these settings are useful for your WordPress blogs. So the configuration of WordPress writing settings completely depends on the type of your content within your website. Either it can be a business website or it can be a blog. The ranges of writing settings vary depending on the website theme you have selected for your website, right? This can be the default post category or format, default link category, writing, screen interface, and few other settings. So by applying these settings, you basically get access to full management of WordPress options that provide creation, editing, and publishing posts on your website pages. So in this video, we are going to see core WordPress writing settings that will be useful for your WordPress blogs. The first setting you can see is default post category. So right now default post category is news. So let's go to our posts and here categories. In categories, whatever posts are getting created, we should have one default category. And in our case, I have selected this category as news. Okay, so when you install new WordPress, you have this uncategorized category as a default category. And as you know, the WordPress website allows you to create different categories of content on your website, and it depends on the subject of your articles, right? So sometimes you forget to include the category when you create the post. So when you don't select the categories while creating the posts, it will take this category, default category, as a post category, right? So this is a very useful feature or setting that you should know. The next one is default post format. So depending upon your installation of the WordPress, the theme, you can choose different post formats like standard, aside, chat, gallery, link, image, quote, status, video, and audio. Okay, so the post format settings help you automatically convert the post into the format it actually requires. Sometimes this option is not available if your WordPress theme doesn't support any of the format that available with this default post formats, right? So if you will need a different format for your post, you need to think in advance before installing the theme. Okay, so this was about default post category and default post format. And these settings are for email. So to post to WordPress by email, you have to set up this account, the mail server. So this is example. You need to add the mail server names here, the mail server username, mail server password, and again default mail category. So this is a very important setting as well. The next one is update services. So right now these update services are not there because we have disabled our visibility settings from this search engine. So we have this search engine visibility checked. That's why it is discouraged search engines from the indexing this website because it's a local host, right? We don't need this website to be indexed in search engines like Google and Bing. So let me click on the save changes. Once you do, let's go to our page again, refresh it, and you see now we have this update services option available. When you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site update services, right? So when you want to update these services on these particular websites, you may need to add your website list here. you need to add as a separate list here with the line break, like http and something dot com, right? So it will use to so when you publish the new post, the WordPress will automatically notifies these websites services updates. So basically WordPress will update those website services. Okay, so this was a quick overview how you can update the writing settings and how you can set the post categories and post formats as well. All right, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, you can click on the like, you can subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. See you next time around. Bye.